Fellow boaters and friends, this is a Sea Ray L550 Fly Bridge boat. This is a 2018 model year, located here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Again, that's MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. This is an absolutely beautiful boat that is very well appointed. The boat has C12 Caterpillar motors, along with a white hull, black canvas, and a lot of upgrades, including a gyroscopic stabilizer. Let's take a look at this boat. So as we come down off from the fly bridge, of course you notice the beautiful teak decking and a hydraulic swim platform with a submersible ladder that goes down into the water. Great cockpit seating. Again, beautiful teak floor outside. Flush entryway into the beautiful cabin. And as you walk in, you'll notice instantly there is an aft galley, which the slider doors open all the way up for. Makes it very, very, very beautiful. This has the high gloss walnut. It's a flat cut walnut interior. Very, very, very beautiful. And that runs throughout the boat. You notice as we come forward, the captain's chairs are two beautiful STID chairs, so dual helm seat with beautiful electronics, G165s throughout the entire boat. It is all digital switching as well. A lot of great tech aboard this boat. The light Wenge flooring. And as we head forward, there are 3 staterooms. So here's our bunk room off to the starboard side, VIP forward, along with the master. Private head, there's another head forward, and then just a really, really spacious and beautiful master stateroom. Again, this is a 2018 L550 Fly, available here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. That's MarineMax Pompano Beach, and this is stock number 140290. That's 140290.